Are you ready?
Welcome to the Moxy in London Heathrow. Just bear with me because the door fob keeps falling off. There we go. As we come in, we've got this amazing artwork that's just come on. I think it's like London inspired with London calling. I'm calling. I've got the cartoon dog Moxy on there, coffee, all that. Looks amazing. Got a hairdryer and a couple of hangers there. Also, we've got the famous door knot hanger, which I absolutely love. Don't come a knocking. This is what I love about Moxy's. Moxy's have a good, vibrant, that sense of play and all that. That's what I love about it. So this is what it looks like when you come in. What I love about the Moxy's is they got a light underneath the bed. So if you need to go, like, you know, for an is in the morning or during the night, that light will come on automatically and it won't disturb anybody else. There's even lights in the glass. I've never seen that in a hotel before. We've got lights in the glass, which is amazing. We've also got your tea and coffee facilities there. Obviously, we've got the Marriott Bonvoy TV channel on because it's one of my favourite TV channels to watch whilst in the Marriott Bonvoy property, which is one of my favourites. But let's go check out the bathroom first in here, shall we? This is the bathroom. We've got the amazing products again from Five Wits, which I absolutely love. I love Five Wits. Then we got the shower. No big shower head this time, it's just the one shower thing. And we got our products from Five Wits, shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, all included. And this is our bed. Double bed in a standard Moxy room, and it is so comfortable. It's literally comfortable. I just did a quick bed test. I'm going to do another bed test in a minute. And if you're wondering what the view is like, all right, guys, it's bed test time. Are we ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Oh, it's comfy. Oh, I love this bed. Well, Moxy's beds are very comfortable. I absolutely love it. It's super comfortable, super springy, and memory foam. So it's recommended. So absolutely love this hotel, guys. Love the Moxy. If Marriott Bonvoy is watching this, please sponsor me, because for an autistic person, your hotel rooms work. Love it. See you on the next review, guys. See you soon.